And we only got 10 spots available for the month of July, and these spots are about to fly. So make sure you get yours.
I had to say about my grandson Michael. He's gonna be successful because he has that goal that he really want to be, and he's gonna make it someday because he is his kid that he's gonna be rich, and it's gonna happen. But you got to be patient because you can't. You just, as they say, you can't build something right away like that. It takes time, but he is gonna be successful someday because he has that motivation.
And y'all know that saying, scared money don't make no money. Look, what comes with the $3,500 package is the software. The 10% is already growing on 100K account. The 100K account is given to you. What else can you ask for? Also, you get blinged out, okay? And then if you don't want all that, you can do the 1600 package where it's just a 120 challenge. You get the blinged out ring, and we pass the 10% account for you. And you get your 100K account, but you don't get the software. But either way, $3,500 to get $100,000, to me, it's a no-brainer. Either way you choose, it's a win-win situation because you got to think about it. If you start with the $1,600 package and later on you want to upgrade to get the software, you still can do that as well. So make sure you accept the 120 challenge. Let's run this bag up. Like they say, numbers don't lie, but testimonials, reviews, and all that good stuff don't lie neither. So I want y'all to see other people that's taking advantage of the 120 challenge. Let's see what they got to say.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Kev. Recently, through 120 Dreamers and Mike Washington, we were able to pass our challenge using his software. Now, let me tell you something about this. We started about a week ago. Started on a Monday, and by the following Tuesday, 10% was hit on our challenge account, and we're there. We got the 100K funding account coming up, and we're going to use the same software. This was easy. It was all plug and play. I personally did not make not one single trade. That software did everything for me, and it was able to hit its target. Didn't have a day that we lost money. I wasn't expecting that, but the fact that this was done in less than 2 weeks goes to show that this really works. So I'm really excited. The live funding account is coming through, and we're going to use it again.